First of all, click on View and here enable Rulers. And now let's add a horizontal ruler in center and a vertical in center. And now just right click here and select Ellipse tool and press Shift Alt and now just draw a circle just like so. You can hold down the space key to change the circle position. Once the circle added, now click on this drop down and here make sure to select path and now select text tool and now write here your text. And select your entire text. Click on this color box and you can go ahead and change your text color.